Hey mga bebe! Today we are going to do the bronze challenge with Yusuf. As you can see here, there are a bunch of dungeons. But for this video, we are going to do the bronze hard. In any dungeons, you can do it alone or in a team with 2 to 5 people. But for this video, it's just the two of us so we can show you the puzzles. This dungeon is for players whose level is 80 to 99. Note that this is my stats and rating. Let's go with the max level difficulty. Shout out to Ashura and all my clubmates in S50. There are 2 puzzles in this dungeon and this is the first one. There are a bunch of boxes in the corner. One of them contains the cord that activates the central trap. There are areas where you will have to pull something from the wall so you can make it as a stepping stone to get to the box. There is a rule that you can't pull it if you are in battle mode. You become in battle mode when you attack or when you're hit. So what I do to avoid being hit by the monsters is I turn invisible. Well, this is only for Reapers, sorry. Later I will show you a faster way for this, but it is only applicable for Reapers and Assassins. I got the core. So the faster way to do this is let your teammates solve the bronze gate and blink inside the palace ahead of them. This is only applicable for Assassin and Reapers. Using this is skills. The monsters and the chest won't appear until the bronze gate is open, so you will have time to pull the stepping stones without needing to kill first the monsters. Now let's go back to our current dungeon run. In killing the snakeheads, prioritize the snakehead recover because it heals the HP of all the heads. Just click the candle and go in front of the gate. You don't have to attack, just let the candle destroy the gate. The fire toads generate shield after a while. You have to lure them out of there in order to kill them. Lure the monsters beside the snakehead so they get petrified. Stay in the far corners so you won't get petrified too. Yusuf said he wants to open the box. This is the second puzzle. I like to click reset if I feel like it's too hard to answer. You can also blink in advance in this part to get to the other side. Because if the bridge is connected in advance, your teammates can just jump so they can get to the boss easily, like this. These two bosses should be killed almost at the same time because the first one that gets killed will resurrect if their death interval is too far. If your rating is too low, you can kill them one by one. But it will resurrect a few times before it gets permanently killed. Before taking this chest, you should take the secret chest first, this way. In Boss's life times 6 or times 5, there will be a shower of fireballs. You should keep running to avoid getting hit. In Boss's life times 5, the boss will release an ultimate skill. You should go to the bubble, click the triangle button in order to survive. Repeat this when only half remains in the boss's life. There you go, we're done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See ya!